Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'll show you how I maintain my plants, what sort of vitamins or minerals that I give to my plants. I will show you what I do in a regular basis because I'm getting too many questions from different people, and especially who are all living in Melbourne. They keep asking me what I do to my plants, what fertilizer I use to my garden. There are so many questions. So to answer to those questions, I'm going to show you a small video how I maintain my plants regularly with these waters. Let's get into the video. Before that, if you are watching my video for the first time and if you are not subscribed to Nageshwari's kitchen, please subscribe to Nageshwari's kitchen and press the notification bell symbol. You will get notified whenever I post my new videos. Let's get in. The first one that I do every day, most of the days I do this. I hope you all, most of them will follow this. I'll show you what I do. I washed rice, I washed lentils, all these are those washed waters. I will use this water to my plants every day, most of the days, because we are Indians, we use rice every single day and lentils as well. So whenever I wash my rice and lentils, I wash it in a separate container. I take this water to my plant, pour every day to my plants. Only if it is heavily raining, if my garden is full of water, then I will not do this. Otherwise, I will do it every day. The second one that I follow mostly twice a week, because most of them we cook green leaves weekly at least once. I normally cook 2 days a week. So this is the water. I washed spinach, so that water, the green color water is the spinach water. So whenever I wash my spinach or green leaves, I wash it in a separate container and I use this water to my garden. You will get a lot of vitamins from green leaves. It's full of vitamins, this water. I always use this water to my plants. The third one that I follow at least weekly once, beetroot water. So mostly weekly once I cook beetroot curry or stir fry. In any form I cook beetroot mostly weekly once. So this is the beetroot water. So the peelings are inside. So whenever I peel my beetroot, I peel it in a separate container, and then when I wash my beetroots, I wash it in this container itself. So I will get all the beetroot vitamins in this water. So I will pour this to my garden. The beetroot water is really rich in vitamins. Please do not throw it. Use it to your garden. Your garden will be really happy and it will grow very nicely. You will get a lot of vegetables and fruits. When I pour the beetroot water to my plants, I will pour with the peelings itself. I will not throw the peelings. I will put the peelings in the plant itself. The fourth one that I follow monthly once. I do this every month. To this, what I do, this is my rice water. So this is cooked rice water. So if you are taking one bowl of cooked rice water, take 5 times the normal water. The normal water, pour in the cooked water. To this I am going to add garlic skin, the garlic peelings. So I am going to add the garlic skin, the peelings to this water. So I am going to add some more water because I added only 3 times water. So I am going to add 2 more bowl of water. So add 5 times water and then add all the garlic peelings. So once you mixed this garlic peelings, keep this pot aside for 2 days, at least 2 days. And then we are going to pour this water to the plant with the skin. So do not throw the skin. With the skin, add water to the plants, especially the vegetable plants and the fruits trees. If you are having drumstick leaves or eggplant, for those vegetables this water is really good. You will get more vegetables and fruits if you use this type of water, and the insects will be reduced. I use this water for my vegetables and fruits, and we get more fruits and vegetables, and also the insects will be reduced because of this garlic, that overpowering garlic smell. Your plants will be saved from this garlic water, so you will not get that much insects. So I use this monthly once. Whenever I normally buy half a kilo of garlic, so this is half a kilo of garlic peelings. So I use this monthly once to my plants. The fifth one, I have already shared this tip in one of my recipe video. So I'm going to cover this because I'm sharing all the waters that I'm using to my garden. So this is one of the water. This is the must water to all the plants. This is for vegetable, fruits, flowers, every plants. It will be really good. That is the banana water. So what we do, take one bowl of water. So the simple one is peel the bananas.
So the banana peel is really healthy. So if you're eating a banana, if you want it to be really healthy, make sure you scrape the inside of the banana peel.
Yes, very good, Laithya. So eat your bananas. Don't throw this. Add in to the water.
I can already see the color coming.
So add into the water. Keep this water at least a day or two. Then the water color will change to brown. Then remove the banana skin, throw it in the bin. Add the water to your plants. You will see a magic happening in your plants because the growth of the plant will be really unimaginable. You will get, your plants will be really healthy. So these are all the waters, 5 different waters that I use to my garden regularly on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. So it depends on which water I use. The most important thing is I don't use any weed killer to my garden. In Melbourne, we all know the weeds will grow like anything. So most of them, they just put the weed killer and to avoid the weeds. The weed killer is not only for weeds, it's for plants as well. If you want to grow plants, don't use weed killer. So I believe in that. And then I don't use any fertilizer, no chemicals at all to my plants. I want my vegetables full organic vegetables and fruits as well. Even to my roses or flowers, I don't use any fertilizer. I use only whatever the home remedies. I use that, and I will show you in one more video how to control insects as well. I hope this video is really useful for you all. If you have any doubts, please email to me. I will respond. as much as I can. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you on another video. Bye.
Make your plants safe.